Hey guys, I'm Yuichi Murata. I work as an engineering manager. My mission is building the best global engineering team. So please follow me on the Twitter or LinkedIn. I write some blog in the Medium. Appreciate if you can visit if you have any interest. So today, I would like to talk about what is required for digital transformers. Digital transformation is one of the kind of popular buzzword these days. If you open up the LinkedIn, we have a lot of opportunities for the digital transformation. But there is people who like the actual digital transformation or who doesn't. And some of the people leave the company for the kind of digital transformation opportunity because they feels they are not fit into this opportunity. So what's gonna be the major differences? So I think the fundamental kind of thing we need to understand is digital transformation is a process getting out from the non-digital world to goes onto the digital world. In a typical internet company like Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, those kind of companies are founded by the kind of basically the engineer or some business leader who already knows about the business world actually. And the business itself also starting from the digital world. They actually don't have to transform anything. But most of the company who is kind of putting the keyword of the digital transformation is doing the digital from the non-digital world. So actually you need to start working from non-digital world, which means you should expect a lot of inconvenience for an engineer. Maybe you cannot expect well prepare the onboarding process to set up your computers. If you need to install some kind of software, you might end up with some cumbersome process and so on. And if you want to build some kind of engineering culture, putting some kind of a foosball table on the cafeteria, or maybe you do the unlimited work from home. These are kind of typical kind of engineering culture in the most of the digital company may not usual on the regular real world business. So somebody who needs to understand this drawback, but try to transform those into more digital native approach, gonna be very good fit onto this kind of opportunities. These digital transformer does not have to worry about too much about the start point, but they actually find those difficulties as an opportunity to change the company so that they have a lot of opportunity to make a contributions. They actually make some changes which gonna make some kind of contribution to the company to attract more kind of digital engineers. And those digital transformation talents also understand what's gonna be the kind of attracting part of the company which is not applicable for the typical digital native companies. So I think since the digital transformation is very different to the actual digital native company, but as long as people understand that and the people make the contribution to change this transformation, there are a lot of chance to make contributions. Actually, digital transformation is going out for the frontiers. So let's say if you recognize yourself who is willing to go onto the frontiers and make something from the scratch, I think you might want to go into the kind of digital transformation. But if you are a typical city boy, you want everything get set up and prepared for you, and you don't want to bother with any kind of frictions with the no engineering thing. Maybe you need to be careful to choose that kind of digital transformation. So as long as you understand those differences, I think that you have a huge chance of the kind of contribution in the DX companies. So that's gonna be all for the today's video. I hope this kind of idea is gonna be helping your kind of career building. That's all for today. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you soon.